Well, good morning. I just had a little, I did a YouTube short just a little bit ago about this rain. I actually mowed about a third of the grass and now we're stuck doing it again. So I'm not in my normal garb. We're not gonna be outside. We're gonna straighten up the garage a little bit from all the landscaping projects. Enjoy the time lapse. Got to clean it up. Started this whole channel cleaning up down there on that side. We sprayed all this with glyphosate. We got some honeysuckle I got to get rid of with some Tordon. But our plan is to start getting this cleaned up. So, thanks for joining. Ranch hands. I've got most of the big stuff pulled up here. Got a log and a couple other things I need to cut up. But I think what I'm going to do is end up putting a little brush fire there. Should be fine above, but let's go ahead and check that out. Three of the big logs out, cleared this side. I got one more cedar tree right here, but it's still in that vines and stuff, and I want to get that a little bit clean because it's wrapped around this tree here, and if I pull it, I'm afraid I'm gonna pinch it or whatever. So I'll come back to that. So this is why you tie bowlines. Quick little story for you. When I was younger, I was in the Scouts, and my scoutmaster was a big duck hunter, and his buddy got stuck, so my scoutmaster went to go pull him out. My scoutmaster tied the right bowline. My other buddy just threw the strap around it and just tied some overhand knots. So they pulled the truck out. My scoutmaster went over, folded the loop, undid his bowline. The other guy couldn't. He had to cut the strap off of his truck. So learned some good knots. The other knot I was using to drag these out is a timber hitch. I'm gonna put a little one of those little links to one of those cool knot channels if you want to know what the bowline and the timber hitch is. So, all right, last log. All right, got a break in the weather. I'm gonna put some metal edging up. Got some tools here. Maybe we'll actually get a good project done before the rain starts again. So range hands, what you're seeing me do here is put up the metal edging. You can see the rusty one that's on the ground, and that normally happens. I've pulled it out of the ground so you can actually see it. But it comes with 4 little stakes that are on each end. So I'm using the pliers here to go ahead and break off both of them, so I can use those to install the metal. Sometimes, due to cloudy skies, range hands, as you've seen today, the plans have to change. And that's part of living the way we want to. What matters is showing up anyway. Whether it's clearing out old messes, like a stubborn old ditch, or laying something down new, like fresh edging around your landscape. It all adds up. Every task, every choice. It's part of something bigger. This is our way, and we appreciate you spending your time with us. And if you find the time to consider subscribing, we'd love for you to come along on our journey and be part of all of it here on the ranch.